Welcome to Khách Homestay Canary Bao. If you're looking for the perfect little getaway that's equal parts charming and convenient, just scan that QR code to book your stay. Trust me, you won't regret it. Picture this, a freshly renovated hideaway just a stone's throw from Phan Thiet's bustling city center, where modern comfort meets warm, personalized service. Built in 2021 and spruced up in 2023, this hidden gem feels brand new, with just 12 snug, thoughtfully designed rooms that make you feel right at home. Oh, and here's a sweet deal. If you're traveling with little adventurers between 6 and 10, they stay for free. Now let's talk vibes. Whether you want to kick back in the shared lounge, swap travel stories with fellow guests, or just binge your favorite shows in the cozy TV area, Canary Bao has those laid-back moments covered. And with check-in from 2 p.m. and a leisurely checkout until noon, you've got all the time you need to soak up the easygoing rhythm of this place. So why wait? Book your stay today and get ready for a getaway that's as relaxed as it is unforgettable. See you in Phan Thiet.